Look, a family reunion. Is this your little special way of saying hello?
Hello.
Or welcome to the family?
Welcome to the family.
Oh, yeah.
We're having a redneck moment.
Oh.
Say hi to Vinny's camera. Hi. Say hi. I'm Troy, Vinny's first cousin. Say it. Troy. Say hi to your cousin Vinny.
Hi, cousin Vinny.
Lunch lady.
Get out
Lunch
of
lady.
here. Chicken nuggets tomorrow, Vinny.
Oh,
Chicken
I
nuggets.
go to the cheeseburger anyway, so.
Come on, look at this boat.
No. Get away from the snakes in there.
I'm gonna put this on Facebook, you know that, right?
Troy, you better not put that on Facebook.
She even told me to do it.
No, you're gonna put that on Facebook? Huh? I gotta go on his Facebook and friend request him. Yeah, he's just said he's putting it on Facebook.
I cold.
I know, I gotta friend request him.
Yeah, I cold.
Right there, it's cold.
I cold.
Say hi, cousin Vinny.
Hi, cousin Vinny.
It's like reeling in a big marlin.
Vinny, cut it out down.
Reeling in the big marlin.
Hi, cousin Vinny. Hi, cousin Vinny.
Oh, now I'm definitely putting this on now.
Okay, make that face again. Here, have some Coke. Get away! Give Nancy.
Get close up on Maria's eyeball.
He's recording you.
Might run out of string on this. Look.
Wait, he's watching video with the flip.
Hold
What
on,
do
hold
you
on.
do?
Hold
All right, Vinny.
Lunch
Stop
lady.
wasting
Antonio!
guys.
Lunch
Come here, reel it in.
Go get
Your
Joey.
turn.
Get Joey.
I'm putting this on Facebook.
The kite.
No, and her. I made it to like a family thing. Still going up to her eyeballs.
Get out! Better not put that on Facebook.
You will see this. I will do it.
Better not put it on Facebook.
Oh, geez, those eyes were big.
You ready? Yeah, hold that.
Oh, you can't put any more line?
No, look at it. It's going to come flying off of there, too, once you cut it. What?
Jeremy had a surprise visit in his little gift basket.
What is it, a turd?
Said it was
Cockroach?
from Ma's fucking car. It had to be.
What?
And it went in my present that I gave him.
What?
Cucaracha.
Yeah, but that
Facebook.
helps out 'em, too.
Anthony, all that was in that bag that I
Got
gave
that
him.
line? Ow! Whoa! Hold on.
All that was in there was Peeps and his Crayola markers.
Can you hold that?
They made them peeps. Yeah,
Hold this.
No,
pretty wild how they made it. You know, they used to do it by hand.
that's a big fishing rod, huh?
Now it's just a machine.
I got a
Used
new
it by hand.
pull the tree.
When they come by the conveyor belt, they'd have to take the brush and,
Oh, put the eyeballs on?
yeah.
I do it after.
Same with the chocolate bunnies and all that. They used to put the eyes and all that all on hand, by hand. Now it's done by machines.
That's a lot of line still, man.
Careful.
You know that?
Goodbye.
Shit.
You're gonna be there for a while.
You think? Don't take me.
Just leave it
I
up
already
there.
did.
Yeah.
But I'm going back to Maria.
Wow.
They must be lost again.
Enjoying the show?
That's a pretty good show.
I know. Where's the popcorn? Huh? Yeah. It's a lot of string. Police.
What?
The police officer.
Huh?
I'm the police officer. I have a warrant
Yes,
to film your eyeballs.
Will you stop? Will you stop, Vinny?
It's 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
I'm gonna get the girls at school to sing to you.
I'll even film you more.
They sang to me. I'm gonna get them
Who
to sing
cares
to
if they
you.
sing to you?
They're gonna sing to you.
I'll put this on. No, I'm gonna put this on YouTube because I have an account. I just haven't put in
Hey, can
videos.
I dry the dishes with this towel?
Oh, yeah, I guess.
What, you have to have an account on YouTube?
Well, all you do is like put like I think your email and just your name or whatever, or like your name you want to be. I don't know.
I don't know either. Cut it out, Vinny.
But I'm not filming you. I'm filming the window in the thing.
Good. Get out of here.
He had to switch to the handle. He couldn't reel in any more string.
I think Mama's in here.
Yeah, she is.
Come on. Don't open that nose though. Come on. You wanna come in?
Still haven't got it down?
He's gonna reel it back. Pull that line away. Come here and hold on to somebody's line, Vinny.
Which line?
Hold on
Yours?
to the kite. Hold on to the kite again.
Alright.